Countess Olsufyeva, who served as the Grand Duchess Elizabeth's lady-in-waiting for some years and was extremely loyal to her, wrote in her memoir about the last time Elizabeth Feodorovna saw her sister. The Grand Duchess was fully in favor of the unity between the Emperor and the Duma, strictly following the constitutional law of 1905. She also insisted that the infamous Rasputin would be sent home to Siberia. The Grand Duchess touched upon the sensitive subject of Rasputin. However, even though she talked about the scandalous antics which the latter was able to hide from Her Majesty, she was not able to convince the Empress, who was certain of his saintliness. The Empress was in such deep denial regarding his character that she responded to it all only with, "We know that saints have always been slandered." The Grand Duchess seemed to see the future. "Remember the fate of Louis XVI," she said. From the Guard Journal at the Alexandra Palace. Tsarskoye Selo, 30 November 1916, 3:20 p.m. The Grand Duchess Elizabeth Feodorovna arrives from Moscow and stays at the Alexandra Palace in the English rooms, first floor. 8 p.m. Dinner. The Grand Duchess has dinner together with Nicholas II and Alexandra Feodorovna. No other family members were present. 1st December 1916, 1 p.m. Breakfast. Grand Duchess Elizabeth Feodorovna has breakfast with the entire imperial family, the Emperor, the Empress, and all their children. 2:40 p.m. to 3:40 p.m. Grand Duchess Elizabeth Feodorovna rides in a carriage around the park along with her sister. 5 p.m. Tea. Present are the Grand Duchess, the Emperor, and the Empress. 7:30 p.m. Dinner. Present are the Grand Duchess, the Emperor, and the Empress, and all 4 of their daughters. 8:30 p.m. The Empress, along with her daughters Olga and Tatiana, took the Grand Duchess to the railroad station, the Imperial Pavilion, and she left for Moscow. The next day, on 2nd December 1916, the imperial couple met with Rasputin.